Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn about SOSL basics. So let's first understand about its purpose. So SOSL is used to search text, email and phone fields across multiple objects at once, and it returns list of objects which can be different type, okay, in one query. And it's helpful for implementing a global search like feature in Apex or LWC. So later we will learn it by using an example. Okay. But first we will first know about its syntax and some important point. Okay. Now if we talk about its syntax, so this is the way to write its. Okay. So this is the syntax. You need to use find keyword and the search string and returning keyword and the objects which you want to search. Okay, here you can use multiple objects and these are the field which we want to return in the result. Okay. Now let's take an example. Let's say here we are searching United in all the fields. Okay, and we are returning account ID and name and contact ID, name and email. Okay, so that means we are searching on account and contact in all the fields. Okay, so let's print it and check what is the output here. As we have already discussed, it will return list of list. Okay, that means in this list we will contain result of individual object records and then we'll create a list for that. So let's say I want to print output for account records only. That way I can check. Okay, now it will give me all the account records matching this criteria. You see, matches here United in this record as well. United Gas UK. Okay, Grand Hotels and Resort. Maybe if we take this example, maybe in some other field we are using United. Let's take an example and search it on this record and check where is United on this account. I think in the address, okay, in the billing address we are using United. Okay, so everywhere wherever we are using United, okay, on the account we are fetching. Similarly, if to check contact, okay, these are the contacts where we are using United, maybe in their address. Okay, let's take an example, this one, and see where we are using on a United. So we are using United in the address. Okay. Let's take another example. If we use test and check if we have any such match, there is no match. Okay. So let's go back, and now instead of print, let's say we want to print list of list, we can do it. Okay, now it will give us list of list which contains account and the contact records both. Okay, so I think you got an example. Now While searching, we have four scopes. Either we can search in all fields, or we can search in name fields, or email and phone fields. Okay. Let's say I'm just searching on name fields. So we have limited option in the name field. You see, where name is matching. Just a minute. Name means string fields here. Okay. So let me print account and check how many options we have for account for name field. Here we have United, United, United. That's good. Now check account. Sorry, contact. Here, let's check where we are using United. So I have taken this example. Okay. So I think we are using United in the account name. Okay, because this is the name field. We have account name field as well. Okay. So it's searching here. Let's say if you use different account, it will not search this. Definitely it will not search this. Okay. So this was all for today. Okay. Now there are few important points. So what SOQL can do? So you can search across multiple objects at once, while SOQL query can't search on multiple objects at once, correct? And another thing is, it doesn't support all field type. We said initially all field type, but there are some fields like long text areas or encrypted fields, which may be excluded. Okay. And another thing is number of records that we are getting per object is 2000 only. So here we can get 2000 records, search result for account and 2000 for contact only. But in SOQL we can get 10,000 or more than that if you use batch effects. Second is, for dynamic strings you should use bind variable. Let me give you an example. Okay. So we used bind variable. That means using text input we can change this, since we are using variable inside this. Okay. So this value can come dynamically using this variable. And common use cases is like if we need to implement a search box in a custom UI. Okay. So we can use SOSL. Or we need to search related record across different objects that we can use. For that also we can use SOSL. Okay. So that was for today. Thank you very much for attending this session. Have a nice day.